This is 000 Kenoob, and this is my first tutorial. So I'm going to be teaching you all today about how to have your own social networking site from two different services. So one of them is called 000 Web Host, where you can host your own files, and there's the other one called WordPress, where you can actually use it to create your own blog. But in this case, we'll be using a certain plugin and turning it into a social networking site. So what you want to do, you want to go to your web browser, go to 000webhost.com. For those who don't have a 000 webhost account, you can sign up or go to the members area if you already have one. Afterwards, you just want to log in, and you want to create a new account, so another domain. Now, for those who want to host their own domain, I can teach you how to do that in the next tutorial, but it will take too long in this one. So for now, we can create our own subdomain since we can create our own domain later. So I'm just going to make it xd97, let's say, and you can choose your password to be whatever you like. So set up your account, but since I already set one up before, just going to go to the cPanel, and you want to go to your file manager. Now in your file manager, you want to go to your public HTML and delete the default.php thing since we probably wouldn't need it. Alright, now that's done, you want to create a new tab in your web browser and go to wordpress.org. You download WordPress 3.3.1 onto your computer. Oops. I think I'll save it elsewhere. Alright, so once it's downloading, you go back to the net to FTP service, go to upload, and click archive file, go to wherever you saved it to, and click the file, and open. Then you click the tick button, and it will upload it, which may take a while for some computers. Alright, so I'm going to pause the video here so then you wouldn't be waiting for too long. Okay, so once that's all done, you should see something that goes along the lines of these thousands of lines. Alright, so once that's done, you want to submit it, and you'll be transferring the files onto your FTP. And there you have it, you have your WordPress fully installed. Now, in order to get it fully working without having to click the WordPress button, if I show you over here, oops, wrong URL, something like that, you would see the index of, and then you have to click WordPress in order to get it. Now, if you don't want it like that, you go to your WordPress folder over here, and on the index.php, you want to click Edit, select all of it, copy it, then go to click public underscore HTML over there, click new file, and enter your code there. So paste it in here, and remove that dot and change it for WordPress. And make the new file name as index.php, save the file, and afterwards you have it. So 37.socialmorph.com. Oops. Alright, so there you have it. Now you want to click create a new configuration file. Oh, whoops. Maybe this will be better. So if you have problems in terms of going to error 404, you can just go here. So /WordPress/wp-admin/install.php. So after you do the installation properly, this issue shouldn't occur again. Alright, now click let's go. Alright, so it will ask you for your database name, username, password, and all the rest. So you go back to your account, go to your PHP myadmin. Now you want to create a database by clicking MySQL management and making your database name, let's say, social, as both of them, and password for, okay. Alright, so once you've typed in your password twice, oh my god. Alright, you want to keep it there, because then you will need this information. Now, the first thing it asks you for is your database name. So, the database name is over here, with MySQL_database. Alright, and your username will be whatever it says here. So, in my case, it'll be A8634-13_social. So basically the same thing. You type in your password. So in my case, it will be moocow11. And copy and paste your MySQL host. Change your table prefix from WP to something else because it makes it very prone to hacking. So just change it to social blah underscore and click submit. After that, you just run the install again and change it to whatever you want it to be. So let's say mine's the social Kenoob, username Kenoob, type in my password. Now just type in email, and if you want it to be public, you just leave it there. If you don't, just untick it and click install WordPress. If you want to save your password, then go ahead, save it, log in with your username and password that you provided. So, log in. Alright, so the website's all set up. Now you need to set up all the stuff for your social networking site. So you want to go into your plugins and go to add new, then type in Mingle. That's the plugin we're going to be using. Now click install now and click OK, so then it will let you install it. It may take a little while for some of you, but that's okay. Alright, so if it says done and it has an activate link, click activate. But if it doesn't have an activate link, go to installed plugins and click activate under mingle, because then this is a common error between free servers. Alright, so your plugin is installed, so click go to the mingle admin page. Now allow all of us auto create and just select all the stuff that you want. Now if you have pretty profile URLs, it says to change your permalink settings. So I'll teach you how to do that after this. Now do all your settings that you want, blah 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 blah. Click update. Alright, so in terms of if you want the pretty profile URLs, you go to settings and click permalinks. And just click whatever you want. So I'm just going to click custom structure. And so post ID. And then you click save changes. Alright, so now all of that's done. You want to remove all your default posts, such as the hello world garbage that they put on. Oops, wrong link. And you want to remove the sample page, so you just click trash. And really, you're all set to go. So you can just go to account, change all your stuff there, go to activity. Activity is basically the newsfeed, just like Facebook. So moo, what up? And it has a full comment and view kind of thing, just like Facebook. You have your directory, which is your friends list. You have your friends area, so that's your friend request. Your inbox, so you can compose a message to all your friends, and your profile. So that means you can post on your own wall, you can post on your friends' walls, you can edit your information, and your profile settings, your privacy settings, and your notification settings, including uploading your own avatar. And I guess that's about it on working on your own social networking site, except that if you want to remove this, then you can ask me through messages. But yeah, that's about it for this video, and thanks for watching.